Good day, everyone. My name is Folarami Israel Olaoluwa. So, this is Free Success Project 2026, an initiative by CMRC. So, I'll be taking you chemistry for now, and then the topic I'll be going into currently is electrochemistry. Electrochemistry, and then the main parts of electrochemistry that we'll be dealing with is electrolysis. Electrolysis that we have. So, let's start. Electrochemistry. What is electrochemistry? So from the word electrochemistry, we can have like a mixture of two things. You have electro and then chemistry. So from the electro, you see electricity, and then chemistry. That one is dealing with the study of matter, anything about matter. So when we say electrochemistry, we are basically chemistry of electricity with application to compounds, chemical compounds. Now, so what is electrolysis? So electrolysis, you have electricity again, and then lysis. Lysis has to do with breaking down. So electrolysis has to do with breaking down of something caused by what? Electricity. So basically, electrolysis is the chemical decomposition of an electrolyte. Electrochemistry, the chemical decomposition of an electrolyte, a chemical compound, by the what? Passage of electricity. So when there's electric current and then a chemical compound breaks down, so the process or the phenomenon, that's what we call electrolysis. Now, so electricity conduction. Now, electricity conduction, we have a lot of devices. Okay, let me say a lot of materials, substances that can conduct electricity. Some cannot conduct. Some are like in the middle. So, conductors are those things they are those materials or substances that can conduct electricity. That is to say, electricity can pass through them. Electrons can flow through them. Electric currents can flow through them. Now, insulators are those that don't allow the passage of electric current at all. And then semiconductors, they are like in the middle. So between conductors and then insulators. Now, in electrolysis, there is one important thing that I'll be talking about, which is electrolytes. Electrolyte is a chemical compound that is capable of decomposing or breaking down when electricity passes in molten form. Now, I would like to define electrolysis again like something very important, a very important point I want to make there. Electrolysis is the chemical decomposition of an electrolyte in molten state or aqueous form. That molten state or aqueous form is very important because if the electrolyte is not in molten state, if it's in solid state, if you pass electricity through it, it's not going to break down at all. Nothing is going to happen. There won't be discharge of ions. There will not be anything. But we must make sure that the electrolyte is in what? Aqueous form or what? Molten state form. We are saying that the solvent is water. So I know chemistry students must have been seeing, you see HCl aqueous, sodium hydroxide aqueous, you'll be seeing they put it inside brackets, subscript AQ. It means that what? That thing is being dissolved in water, like water is the solvent. So you might be asked a question that which of the following is going to be an electrolyte?